back. Right, today we've got the Citroen key. This is same as the Aygo, the Peugeot 107, and if you look at that, the button is completely broken through there. So you're really struggling to lock it through the remote. What we're going to do is replace this key fob, the plastic case, and these are dead cheap. You're going for about a £5. I'll put the link in the Amazon shop at the end in the description, so you can buy one of these and get this repair sorted. Let's crack on, get it changed over. Right, so what do we get? There's the old key with the broken button. Now this is straight off the Amazon shop. Let's whiz it open and have a look, see what we get inside. Now I was only aware I was getting one, but looking at this, they've actually sent two. So yeah, two for the price of one. It's okay if you've got a spare one you need to replace as well. Let's have a look, see what we get in the box, see if there's any difference between the two. I don't know what the difference would be, but I think they're both exactly the same. Other than one of them's open and the other one's not. So they look pretty much identical. Case screw in each one. There's nothing on the back on these ones. You can get the ones with the Citroen or the Peugeot or the Toyota emblem on it. Not that fussy, to be fair. Not that fussy. Let's get this apart. So what we're going to do is just pop the screwdriver in. There's a tiny little screw in the back there. So let's whiz that out of there. That's rid of the screw, and we can just put a little screwdriver in the back of that and just release it. Much the same as if you were going to change the battery. Now then, we need to get this gubbins out of here. Sometimes, I have had this in the past, I've been able to just keep the Citroen back and just replace the top, but sometimes they are slightly different and they don't fit quite right. But we'll have a look, we'll see, because this is the only bit that's broken with the hole in it, as you can see there, which makes it really hard to press the button. So as you can see, it came out, it's got a little lug there, and there's a little lug there that it's going to sit through on the new one. One thing you've got to look out for on this, if you're going to change the whole case, this one here, which has got the key blade in it, the key blade will now pull out the front. You literally just grab hold of that and pull it out. So if I give it a good firm wiggle, out it comes. That little plastic thing there, that's the transponder chip. And if you don't change that over, the car will not start. You need that to start the car. Let me put that back in there a sec, and I will just try and see if the new face will fit on the old back. Let's have a look and see how close we are. If it's a really bad fit, I will just change the whole thing. So here's a new case. Let's just try that on the old. It just doesn't want to go over. Look, it's just it's really close. Yeah, it just doesn't want to click in very well. You wouldn't think they would be that different, you know. You think they would be really close, but it just doesn't want to go over there. It's a slightly different shape. So I don't think. Oh, it's close. Oh, it's really close. Anyway, it's not going to happen. I'm going to swap the whole thing out. So let's go for it. Let's pull the key blade out of there. Okay. Now we need to get this little transponder chip out of here. Now carefully, we're going to just prise that out. Get underneath it. And just gently lift it out. watch it don't ping and fly across the room, because like I say, if you lose it, you're never going to get your car going again. So there it is, that little thing there, just like a lump of plastic, look. That is your transponder chip. So important to getting the car going. Right, and so we've got the new back there. And we've now got to get this transponder chip inside there. Now if you look at that, that is different as well. There's a slight difference on that chip, on the shape of that. So let's make sure that the buttons fit in the... So that one fits in okay. That side of things is good. That all fits in nicely, which is a good start. So okay, well, we're pretty happy with that one. So back to this. Can we get this in here without it? Like I say, although it's the wrong shape, it's close. It's going to be tight. Look, let's squeeze it in. There it goes. Let's get in there. Just use the blunt end of that just to get it in. Yeah, look, it's in. Bingo. So that's the transponder chip is now in the new key case. We can get the blade and stuff that in the hole as well, if it will fit. It's going to be tight as well. That's tight. We've got to get that through enough to the hole. Yeah, just there, look, so we can see the hole through the... And we've got us back, and we can change the battery in here if you while you've got it to bits. If you want to change it over, you can do. Literally just by pushing it out and putting a new one in. And it's a CR2016. That's the size of the battery. This one's quite new, so I'm going to leave that in there. Okay, here we go then. So we've got that, like we said. Let's drop this into the casing. We'll get that through the hole. Fiddly, fiddly, fiddler. There we go. That's in there now. And then we can put the two sides back together. That's clipped down nicely. Fits like a glove. And then last but not least is we'll get a nice new screw and we'll pop that through there. And then do that back up again. And there we have it. Key. And I've just heard the lock of the car outside, so it's worked through the garage wall, so I know that's working. And there it is, beautiful. So let's get that ring back on there, so that we're all good. I can pop that onto the new key as well. And there we go, all fixed. Looks nice, doesn't it? And then the proof's in the pudding if we can start the car. Transponder's working well and it's all starting. Fantastic. So there we have it. We've got the keys all fixed up. Looks as good as new, that does. Really impressed with that. and it's yeah, starting the car, so we know the transponder chip is all in the right place and it's been recognised. Like I said, I put the link for the cases in the description, just under £5, so absolute bargain. If that's been of any use, just drop me a little thumbs up, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.